G'day Burnout fans, it's Flinty here. I'm behind the camera. We've got two good looking roosters in front of the camera here, Kynan and John. Obviously we just did the video a couple of weeks ago about the dyno results and the build on this beautiful FG. John's got a couple of words he wants to say. We'll chuck this, hopefully we'll chuck a bit of a skid video behind this one, so we've got to talk Kynan into smashing a set of tyres off this thing. I don't think he'll need much convincing, but over to you, John. What do you want to say?
Well, what I would like to say is Kynan's done a wonderful job on this car, and he deserves to call it Kynan's car, not Johnny's car. It used to be Johnny's car. So now this young lad here, this good-looking rooster, is going to smash tyres at Summernats and have a good time.
Absolutely, we're going to do our best.
That's all we need to see.
I'm just glad you're happy.
I'm happy.
Cool.
I'm happy for you.
Yeah, thank you very much.
All right, thank
That's
you,
awesome,
Flinty.
guys.
Good on you.
All right,
Thanks,
check this video out. This should be good.
Waiting for the drag racing to use it, but now we got a Godzilla power and a BYE performance. This is insane. It is wild, it is loud, it is going to be absolutely